Hello everybody, Jennifer Lehner here with jenlehner.com, and I have a really quick, I think very impactful, effective little technique for you to drive traffic from your personal Facebook page over to your business page. I learned this from Amy Porterfield, the queen of Facebook marketing, eons ago, and it has served me well, and I hope it will help you as well. So as you can see here, when you look at my personal profile page, you'll see where it says click to visit my business page at Jen Lehner and click to visit my business page at the Posner Lehner Group. Typically, I wouldn't have that much information there. I just happen to be transitioning and rebranding from the Posner Lehner Group to Jen Lehner. So I'm going to keep both of those there for a little while so people aren't confused. Okay, so how did I do that? Okay, I'm going to show you. Well, first let me show you what it does. So click here to visit my business page at Jen Lehner. I click there and it takes me to my business page. So that's what we want. So how did I do that? I clicked here on the corner. There's a little pencil icon. And then these are the places where you can add your work experience. And right here where it says Jen Lehner, I'm going to click edit. And what I did was, here's the hack, is where it says position, instead of just writing CEO, founder, you know, whatever, I put click here to visit my business page. And then, and that's it. And then make sure you click save changes. Okay, and that's it. So I'm going to go back to my timeline. And that's what it looks like. And it's super helpful. I've really been able to drive a lot of traffic over to my business page because of this. And that's it. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to shoot me an email, jennifer@jenlehner.com. You can join our Facebook group, The Front Row, where we talk about all the latest, greatest, most effective marketing techniques. You can also go over to my Facebook page, which of course I made it quite clear how to get there, but that is facebook.com/TheJenLehner. Have a great day.